Have you ever seen an image that just stops you in your tracks? One that feels so real, so full of emotion, you can almost hear the sounds and feel the air. Picture this, a majestic silverback gorilla, sitting alone in a downpour. The rain is heavy, streaming down its thick, dark fur. Each droplet clings to its hair before falling away. In the background, the sky is a canvas of dark, swirling thunderclouds, adding to the drama of the moment. The light creates these deep, dramatic shadows that highlight the sheer power and quiet contemplation in its eyes. It's a moment of raw, untamed nature, captured with incredible realism. You can almost feel the cool rain and hear the distant rumble of thunder. This isn't just a picture, it's a story of resilience, strength, and solitude. What do you see when you look at it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.